Good morning guys, today we've got here POCO F8 Pro and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So first of all, open your phone gallery. Now mark more icon and go to contacts. Here choose the contact that you want to personalize, mark edit and select add picture. Choose it from your Google Photos, from your gallery. You can open your camera and grab a photo right now. You can create monogram or add some illustration. Here you can explore more, but let me pick something from on-device photos. Tap on choose then and mark save to apply it. And that's it. From now on the photo is assigned to this particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.